Oh, hey everybody. Welcome to Rat Dog Bicycles. I'm Byron. I'm gonna get back on this hyper, do a couple of things, or a little bit of things. I'm not quite sure. I'm still kind of winging it. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. I do know I want to take this stem out, these handlebars. Maybe it's a 13. Yep. Okay. 13 millimeter. Figure out what I'm really wanting to do here. Maybe I'll put one of these coil stem adapter things. Maybe actually put some real mountain bike bars on it. Let's see what I have. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Pretty cool. Grab one of these Allen keys here. Don't like the red though, but for now. Down a little bit. Okay. I don't like the red, but I can fix that. Just to test the kind of what she'll look like. That's not what I meant to do, but I guess that worked. I can always spray paint those red spacers, you know, black or something. Or maybe gray. Wow. I don't know. Decals torn up. Maybe I can trim those off. It's kind of hard. Got a better hook. It's really heavy duty. I did off camera Leave these little bolts that hold this back spring on. Took it apart and kind of cleaned it up some more. I've probably cleaned this frame like 3 or 4 times already. Let's see. I did clean the rims and the spokes and stuff. Oops, too far. Oops. Came pretty clean. I haven't taken the rear cassette off yet. I'm just kind of, like I said, I'm just messing around, tinkering, seeing what I can do with this. I'm trying to show more than, you know, what's not on film. I need to clean this place up. It's getting real dirty. And I do believe I cleaned all the little, all the V-brakes, stems, whatever you call them, I don't know. But I cleaned those. Let's see. Oh, I know what I want to show you. I also did this off the camera. Kind of bad about that. Don't know if it'll show up or not. Let me zoom you in. My gloves are in the way. Let's see if that'll take in. I cleaned inside here the bottom bracket thing. It was super rusty. It was real bad. I took a wire brush. I have it here somewhere. Little wire brush. I took a little wire brush and scrubbed inside there. And of course, I sprayed WD-40 in it. Also took one of these little green scouring pads and I cleaned up inside of it. And it still didn't come clean. I ended up having to take a little fine, I think it's 200 grit sandpaper off in there and sand it. It was really bad, but I got it to where it's going to be able to be saved now. I may rub some grease or something inside of it to keep it from rusting out even further. But yeah, just trying to explain some what I've been doing off camera, you know. So yeah. But like I said, I'm just trying to get an idea. Don't know if I'm going to keep the same front forks on the bike. I don't know. I can't put 26s in here. They're too big. I've already tried. I was going to put some bigger rims and bigger tires in here and it won't fit. Kind of looks like it will, but it won't. It's not big enough. Don't know about the fork. I don't know if I'm going to change it out. I'm not sure. I was trying to get inside here to take the front fork apart. And I don't have a socket skinny enough to get down into the front fork from the top. It doesn't have a screw on the bottom. So I tried to do that. I'm trying to, you know, get it where I could do some maintenance on it. Kind of rebuild it a little bit, put new grease in there. It doesn't really move. But I'm thinking about maybe putting some mountain bike handlebars on here. Bigger mountain bike handlebars. Kind of do some kind of upgrades. I don't know. I was kind of thinking of maybe some small BMX handlebars. Just came off a kid's bike, so it's kind of small. So, but you know, this is actually a kid's bike. I think it's from like 8 to 13 years old. But yeah, I'll just end there. Yeah, we'll just end it right there. So you'll have a great day, a great week, great weekend whenever you're watching this. And yeah, keep riding your bicycles, guys, and see you later in the next video. Bye-bye.